Looking for a neighborhood that offers the perfect balance of peace, convenience, and modern living? Welcome to Sainikpuri and Yapral, two of Hyderabad's most sought after residential areas. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through these neighborhoods and show you why they are considered lifestyle hubs. Sainikpuri and Yapral are located in the northeastern part of Hyderabad. These areas are known for their lush greenery, excellent connectivity, and a community centric vibe. Whether you're a family looking for a peaceful home or a professional seeking modern amenities, these neighborhoods have something for everyone. Here are some reasons why Sainikpuri and Yapral stand out. Greenery and serenity. With tree lined streets and parks, these areas offer a calm and refreshing environment away from the city's hustle. Excellent connectivity. They are well connected to major hubs like Secunderabad, ECIL, and IT corridors. Educational institutions. Top schools and colleges like Bhavans and Army Public School are nearby, making it ideal for families. Healthcare facilities. Reputed hospitals like Apollo and Balaji Hospital are within easy reach. Lifestyle and recreation. From cafes and restaurants to gyms and shopping centers, you'll find everything you need close by. When it comes to real estate, Sainikpuri and Yapral offer a mix of standalone apartments, gated communities, and builder floors. These areas are perfect for those looking for spacious homes with modern amenities at competitive prices. At Avisun Properties, we take pride in offering thoughtfully designed homes in prime locations like Sainikpuri and Yapral. Our projects focus on privacy, quality, and comfort, ensuring you find the perfect home for your family. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a vibrant lifestyle, Sainikpuri and Yapral have it all. With their unique blend of greenery, connectivity, and modern amenities, these neighborhoods are truly lifestyle hubs. Ready to explore your dream home in Sainikpuri or Yapral? Contact us at Avisun Properties today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates on Hyderabad's best neighborhoods and real estate insights.